So welcome back to the channel. Today we are here in our showroom in Ringwood and I am going to be showing you this beautiful Delivita wood-fired oven. I'm going to be telling you everything about it, all the features on it and everything that you can do with that. So if that's something that you're interested in, stick around while we jump into this video. So if you've never heard of Delivita before, or you've never seen any of their wood-fired ovens, these are available in 6 different colors. There is a berry purple, a chili red, a bright orange, a gray, an olive green, and a black color. There is also an option to have a bespoke color. So if you wanted to try and match this into a specific space you've got in your garden, or if you had an outdoor kitchen and you wanted to color match it to your units or something like that, you can choose a RAL color and they will create your oven to match the color of your choice. So in terms of the dimensions, this oven is about 600mm wide, just under, in fact. It's 640mm deep and about 350mm high. It's got this stainless steel frontage here with the Delivita branding. Inside is the clay, which once cured is ready for cooking on. The oven itself weighs about 30 kilos, so it is possible to pick up by yourself. I mean, it's the ideal oven as well. If you go camping a lot, you can take it camping with you. It will sit in the back of your car. You can get a pull-out stand, so if you just want to keep it in your patio, you can put it on there. It'll sit on the stand, or you can have it like we have here. It will sit on top of the worktop as part of your outdoor kitchen. The oven will heat up to 550 degrees and that takes about 25 minutes from when you start the fire to get up to full heat. And then it would take you about 90 seconds to cook a pizza, or roughly 50 pizzas an hour, so it's pretty quick. So that being said, it's not just for pizzas only. You can use this for flash frying, slow cooking, smoking, barbecuing, tandoori, roasting. So, you know, aside from just cooking the pizzas, which most people think about, you can cook Yorkshire puddings in here, you can cook burgers, seafood, prawns, salmon, Indian food, chicken, steaks, chops, vegetarian options as well. There really are no limits as to what you can cook on here, and there's a lot of content online showing you lots of different recipes and all the different things that you can cook on here. So as part of the accessories range, Delivita offer their own dough that you can buy to use to save you making it. They offer charcoal dough, gluten-free, organic vegan, sourdough, spirulina and turmeric. So you've got a lot of choice there to make lots of different pizzas. So aside from the dough, you also have all of the accessories that they offer. So, and they have a huge range, really well branded. You know, we've got some of them here. We've got the peel, we've got the apron, the gloves, the chopper, the brush, the door, the chopper. This here is a prod as well, so this is quite a clever feature. So this is used for moving your coals and your fire around inside, but you'll notice there's a hole there and a hole down that end, so you can literally put it in, blow it to get some air in there to get the fire going if you want to get it hotter. So that's really good. In here you can see this is the cast iron tray. If you were going to do some like roast chickens or chops or meat or whatever you want to, you've got a proper cast iron there which will go straight in there. And you've got plenty of room in here as well. I mean, that's probably about 6 inches from there to there. I don't know if you can see that very well. And that's about 300mm from there to there. So another optional extra is also a chimney. So you can get it if you're going to use this inside and you wanted to vent it. You can get an accessory attachment, which is a chimney that comes on here. It's an extension of this stainless steel with a hole at the top there, so you can then flue it out if that's what you wanted to do. There are covers that are available with this as well. You can get laser thermometers in there, and the stand as well that I mentioned earlier. They've got a whole range of accessories. There are 3 different bundles that are available to you. One is the Pizza Iolo, which is sort of your basic bundle, and then you have your wood-fired bundle, and then you have the complete bundle, which is everything. And I think they all come with like a 12-pack of dough as well to get you started. So, as well as like the kindling and the wood that you would need to get it going. So as you can see, this is a really cool, versatile oven, available in a range of colors, and you can cook absolutely anything on it. If you want to come in and have a look at this, you're welcome to come in and look at this and look at the accessories. We are in the process of building an outdoor kitchen downstairs here in our showroom, where we are going to be doing cooking, and we are going to have one of these Delivitas in there. We're going to be cooking on that. So if you're interested in seeing that, subscribe to the channel, and you'll get notified when we start doing our cooks. We'll be filming them, and we'll have chefs coming down as well to cook on there. So that's that. We have Instagram and Facebook. We try and post on there a couple of times a week, and if you want to see what we're doing currently, that's our most up-to-date place that we put all the pictures and the content and things like that. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one.